In this video, I will show you how I made this talking AI avatar and teach you step by step how you can do it for free with just your smartphone. You heard me right. And then get millions of views and rake in tons of cash upon monetization. YouTube automation is a thriving and trending content on YouTube, and new content creators are jumping on this boat and raking in tons of cash monthly. The good news is you don't need a PC to start if you don't already own one. You've got your smartphone, right? Let's use it. First, we need a character and a studio background. Head over to Lexical Art. In the search bar, type in anime character boy and hit the search button. Now you have a variety of anime characters to use. I would prefer use a character that has a complete image and no cutoff. For example, this one. The shoulders are not cut off. Simply click and download it. Now for the studio background, go back to the search bar and type in anime studio. Pick a studio according to your preference and download it. Now we have a character and a background. We need a table. I'll be making use of the Pinterest app to get a table. In the search bar, type in table. You will notice the images here do not complement our character and studio. What you have to do is type in animated table PNG. Now pick any of these and download. If you notice, my character and the table both have a background and we don't want that. I will make use of a free background remover website called removal.ai. Now scroll down to this button that says choose a photo. Click it. Browse through your gallery and select the image you want the background removed. As you can see, this is now a PNG image. That is to say, its background has been removed. Download this image and repeat the same process for the table. We have successfully removed the backgrounds from both images. We want our character to talk, and in order to achieve that, we have to remove this already existing mouth from the character. I'll be making use of Pixellab for this one. I will drop all necessary links, app names and AI prompts I use in designing this in the description of this video. Now in Pixellab, bring our character by clicking this plus sign and select gallery. Select the PNG character image and position it in the middle. Change the overall background to transparent. Click the plus sign again and select shapes. Change this shape to a circle and make a small oval out of the circle. Make it fit in the area of the mouth and position it correctly. Click on the color icon and turn it on. Click the plus sign and select the image. We want to pick a correct color directly from the image. If you look over this icon, you can see the colors you are selecting. Pick something that has the same skin color. This is what we have had previously compared to this new character without a mouth. Click on the save button. Change to ultra so we will have a good quality. Now it's time to edit everything. In Capcut, click on studio first and click add. Remove the Capcut watermark end screen. Now add in the character you saved from Pixellab and stretch it evenly to match the studio length. I'll make a few edits on the character's look so it can blend in with the lights and the background studio. Now resize the character to complement the studio background. To add the table, click on the overlay and select the PNG table. All you have to do here is simply resize it to a very reasonable size that fits the background studio. Remember, we are trying to make it as realistic as possible. As you can see, we have succeeded in this very stage, but this looks empty and static. The table needs some gadget on it. I'll be adding a computer monitor and a microphone. You can add as many things as you want. I'll be using the Pinterest app again for this. Notice that these two have backgrounds that we don't need. Simply use removal.ai to get rid of both backgrounds. Head back to Capcut and add the computer monitor PNG as an overlay and resize it to fit correctly on the table. Repeat the same process for the microphone. This looks nice. We need a talking mouth to make the character more lively. Head over to YouTube and in the search bar, type talking mouth green screen. Select from any of these and copy the video link. Go back to Google Chrome browser and type in Y2Mate. We want to download the YouTube video into our gallery. Paste the link here and choose any download format. Please note that this particular website has so much intrusive ads, so navigate it carefully if you don't know of any other website you can use to download a YouTube video to your phone gallery. After downloading it, go back to Capcut and select the talking mouth as an overlay. We have to remove the green background. Scroll through for remove background. Click and select chroma key. Move the circle to the color you want to remove. In this case, it's a green color. Click intensity and increase it. Now the talking mouth no longer has a background. Resize it and place it in an area of the face where the mouth will fit and look real. This looks pleasant but still static. We need something engaging to make the video catchy and interesting to watch. Click on Effects and Video Effects. Pick an effect according to your perspective and adjust it to match the timeline of the entire video. Note, you can reduce and increase the speed of the talking mouth. For this blue effect, click on Effects and scroll down to Blu-ray. Click and apply it the way you want. At this point, you can add a voiceover, a sound, or an extra edit.
We have successfully created a talking AI avatar, and you can use it in your YouTube automated channel.
In my next video, I'm going to teach you how I made this realistic talking AI avatar, still using my smartphone. Subscribe to this channel to stay updated. Don't forget to give this video a like if it was helpful to you.